Hello everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Nepal? The average annual gross salary is $1,550, or roughly $129 per month. After deductions, the average net salary is $1,380 per year, or about $115 monthly. In Kathmandu, cleaners earn more. The gross salary is $1,938 per year, roughly $162 each month. The net salary is $1,725, or about $144 monthly. Experience, better skills, and work in hotels, offices, or hospitals can raise pay. Night shifts and special cleaning work may also offer higher earnings. Entry-level cleaners usually earn less than senior cleaners. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.